Works with Alexa to support dimming through voice control, smart bridge required, Alexa device and smart bridge sold separately. Replaces an existing switch and installs in 3 steps in as little as 15 minutes, ideal dimmer for all homes, as it does not require a neutral. Can control up to 17 bulbs per circuit, based on 85W LED bulb, 60W incandescent equivalent. Tested and recommended for use with over 1,000 bulbs. For recommended LEDs, please see technical specification. Works with up to 150W dimmable LED/CFL or 600W incandescent/halogen bulbs, not rated for low voltage applications, i.e. track or landscape lighting. For added convenience, use with Pico remote, PJ2 3BRL GXX L01, to turn lights on/off or raise/lower to adjust brightness. For multi-location applications, use with Caseta Wall Mount Kit, PJ2 WALL WH L01, sold separately.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,